Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make probiotics for dogs. Probiotics are incredibly beneficial for your canine companion, helping to maintain a balanced gut and strong immune system. They can significantly improve digestion, ensuring your dog absorbs more nutrients from their food. This is especially helpful for dogs with sensitive tummies or those recovering from antibiotic treatments, promoting overall wellness and vitality. Creating homemade probiotics for your dog is simpler than you might think. Plain, unsweetened yogurt or kefir are fantastic starting points, packed with live cultures. You can also use fermented vegetables, such as a small amount of organic sauerkraut, ensuring it's free from added salt or spices. The key is to select organic, unpasteurized products to guarantee the presence of beneficial bacteria, giving your dog the best possible support. When introducing probiotics, begin with a small amount, perhaps 1/4 of a teaspoon daily, to allow your dog's system to adjust. You can gradually increase this to 1 to 3 teaspoons, depending on your dog's size and individual needs. The easiest way to serve them is by mixing the probiotic directly into their regular meal. This ensures they consume it readily and consistently, making it a seamless addition to their diet. Before adding any new supplement, including homemade probiotics, always consult your veterinarian to ensure it's appropriate for your dog's specific health needs. Closely monitor your dog for any digestive changes or adverse reactions as you introduce them. Proper storage is also crucial. Keep homemade probiotics refrigerated to maintain their potency and effectiveness. This careful approach ensures your dog receives the maximum benefit safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.